and we put together a whole new grill that now has holes in it. So hopefully you can see my fingers behind. Welcome back to the workbench, where we try to make things. And it's Tuesday, so what we're trying to make today is Revell's Ford FD-100 pickup, the Foose design kit they put out a while back that we're doing quite a bit different. And if you'd like to get caught up on those differences, there's a link down in the description to a playlist. You can get completely caught up to where we are right now. And where we are right now is working on the grill. Yeah, we're still working on the grill. I put it out there to you guys last week. What should we do? Black, body color, chrome trim, chromac, what, all that, and we pretty much came down to, I think, including my vote, is black with chrome trim around or chrome accents with black running boards. Now, to quote J Money Pop, paint it black and glue the thing on, right? I get you. I get you. That sentiment is completely true, but to quote my, I guess, response, that's plan B. Plan A is to overthink every little detail, and that's what we're going to continue doing with the grill. So I apologize, J Money, but it's another episode about the grill. So this is the grill that came with the Bronco. Obviously, it didn't come with the F-100. The F-100 has had the Bronco front end basically grafted in, along with the bumper that's now turned into a fascia kind of thing. I don't know. You can get caught up in the link down below, the playlist. You'll get completely caught up. And this is the this is the grill that came with the Bronco. So this is the stock Bronco grill, and I like it. But what I'd really like is to be able to see through this grill, or in other words, all these tiny, and you guys probably can't even see them, but all these tiny little holes, I sure would like them to be holes and not just pretend holes. And I could go in with a Dremel and do each one of those, but I don't have that kind of time nor patience. So what I did is I reached out to the fabrication department, and we put together a whole new grill that now has holes in it. So hopefully you can see my fingers behind the grill. So this is a completely fabricated grill, or made, or I guess modeled is the right word. Modeled grill. I used Meshy. Basically what I did is I actually photographed this grill from multiple angles, and I used Meshy to basically put me together a grill and kind of changed some stuff and whatnot, and then took it over into Blender and punched all the holes. Might have been quicker to do it with a Dremel, quite honestly. It was probably faster the way I did it, but it still took a lot of time to get all these holes in here in Blender. But we got it done, and I think now this is the grill we're actually going to be going with. Let me kind of put it in place here, so you can kind of see what it's gonna look like. If I can get it in place. It needs a little bit of cleanup. There we go. So basically, it's just going to look like that. Pretty much the same. It's a little. I have it filling the hole, I guess we'll call it. Well, I have it filling the grill surround a little better. The pegs on this do not quite fit, which that's all right. What I think I'm going to do is just knock them off, and then I'll just glue it in place. That'll be fine. But it does work well where the headlights are going, so everything should be just fine. So what now I can do, by the way, this just came off the printer. Basically, I spent all day just working on this. It actually takes a long time. So now I can paint it black. I'm going to trim it in chrome. I'm going to go ahead and paint the running boards black, and then we can start moving forward. I think we can move on from the grill because we basically have our rear suspension done. All I need to do is paint it and glue it in place. So that'll be done, along with the gas tank is done and ready to be done, ready to be finished, just painted. I do need to run gas lines. I am going to run the fuel lines for it. I do need to do all that stuff. I have been busy outside of the shop. I've got some big projects going on outside of the workbench, I should say. So I know I've missed some videos. I apologize for that. But there's some big things going on that I think well, I know I'm excited about, and I think you guys might be excited about too. Can't really talk about it yet, as usual, but we will when the time comes. So I apologize for there not being so many videos, and for some of the videos being a little weaker. I mean, I did spend all day on this, but I didn't have time prior to today to work on it because I'm working on other things that are very important. But anyways, let me know what you think about the new grill, the new idea of the grill, being able to see through the grill. We'll be able to see into the engine bay. We'll be able to see the radiator back there, hopefully, because the radiator will be painted aluminum. Hopefully, we'll be able to see that kind of through the grill, but at least there's holes in the grill. I think it'll look a lot better. Let me know what you think. I do want to hear what you have to say. I'm going to leave this one a little bit short so that I can get back to work and start getting stuff done again here at the workbench. Appreciate you joining me. I really do appreciate you sticking with this. I appreciate your comments. Thank you, J Money Pop. I really do appreciate the comment. If you're still watching now, I really do appreciate the comment. And you are right. At the end of the day, I should just glue the thing together and move on, right? But I appreciate all those comments. Let me know what you think down below. Hit the subscribe button if this is something you want to keep up with. Hit the like button if you've enjoyed this. I don't know. If not, I guess maybe hit the dislike button. Can you do that still? Does the dislike button still exist? I never can see it anymore. But anyways, leave me those comments, likes, hypes, all that stuff. Do all those things everybody tells you to do on YouTube. I will, well, actually, you know what? I got to get back to work. Then I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.